Hey, it's Audrey, and in this video I'm going to be doing activity 5-8, testing access to a folder, and that activity can be found on page 191 in the Configuring Advanced Microsoft Windows Server 2012 /R2 services. And the objective of this video or this activity is to test access to the marketing folder with different users. And I'm going to be using my server 1 in my Windows 8 computer. And so in previous activities, I have set up a marketing folder and I've created different users that have different access to that folder, and I'm ready to test that access. So first thing I needed to do is I needed to join my Windows 8 computer to the domain, and then I needed to log on to the domain from the Windows 8 computer using the different accounts that I created prior to this activity. And so I've already gone ahead and joined my Windows 8 computer to the domain, so I'm ready to just start testing the accounts. So let's just click this back arrow, click other users. And the first account I'm going to test is the accounting one. So, accounting one, and then password 01. And building up the profile for the first time might take some time. Well, yeah, especially on Windows 8 computers, it kind of takes a little while. So I might pause this part because it does get a little bit long. So I'm going to pause this. Okay, so now that I'm logged in as accounting 1, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up a command prompt window. So I'm just going to go command prompt. And in here, I'm going to type who am I /claims. So who am I claims. Kind of looks funny when you type it. Press enter. And the claim name that comes up is department, and it is part of the accounting values. So this command displays any claims and user presence to Kerberos for authorization. So if the Kerberos client group policy I configured in activity 5-4 wasn't set, then I wouldn't see anything in this area right here. But I should, and I did see an indication that the department attribute is accounting. But I didn't see a job title or anything. That's because I didn't set one. So because no claim was configured as far as a job title. So now I'm going to right click my start button and click run. And now I'm going to do whack 412 server 1. Hit enter. And here is that marketing folder I created. I'm going to click into that. And I see and this message says that I do not have access to this share, which is correct because my department attribute isn't marketing. So I'm going to hit close. Now I'm going to log off of accounting, and I'm going to sign in as marketing next. So I'm going to click other user, marketing 1, password 01. We got to build a new profile, so I'm going to pause this. All right, now we're logged in as marketing 1, and now we're going to do the same thing as we did with accounting 1. We're going to open up a command prompt and type who am I claims, and see this output brought up a job title. So I should see that marketing 1 has the department with the value of marketing and job title with the value of manager, and that is correct with what I set up earlier in 5-4. Now I'm going to click run, Now I'm going to go to the folder itself, like I did with the other user. Okay, one. And this user account should, see, I do have, this user account has access to this folder, but only this file. I had created 2 files in this folder originally, and I only gave this user access to this text file. So now I'm going to open it up, and I'm supposed to type some characters in it. So typing something interesting. If I can type. Okay. Now I'm going to hit save. No, wait. Hold on. Save as. Save as dialog comes up. Hit save. Sure. Access is denied because this user should only have read permissions only. So I'm going to close that. Don't save. Exit there. And now I'm going to test the last user account, which is the executive 1 user account, and I'm going to log in with that one. Oh my gosh. Alright, so we're going to build that profile. Now with the executive user, we are going to do the same thing, the same test we did with the previous one. So first things first, we're going to open up a command prompt. Who am I? Claims. And this user has the output of department, has the value of marketing, and the job title is executive. And this user should have the highest permission levels out of all of them. So we're going to access the folder now. We're going to open up the marketing folder and see those are both of my text files that I had created earlier. And this shows you that my configuration in the previous activity and my test for this activity was successful, and that I configured it correctly. And that brings me to the end of this video. See you next time.